Classes of livestock feed nutrient. There are many types of feed nutrients suitable for livestock. It is important to understand the main classes and its constituent elements and functions of animal feeds. The major feed nutrients include 1. Carbohydrates. These foods are needed by livestock for supplying the energy required by the body for doing work and for the functioning of different organs of the body. Carbohydrates occur in nature as starches, cellulose, or fiber. They contain elements such as carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, which are easily burnt up or oxidized to produce energy. Examples are yams, cassava, potato, rice, and bread. 2. Fats. Fats contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Fats have more carbon and oxygen than carbohydrates. They supply energy needed by the body for keeping the body temperature at the correct level. They produce 2.5 times the energy produced by carbohydrates. Fat can be found in plant and animal materials. Examples are milk, fatty seeds such as ground nuts, coconuts and cotton seeds, animal byproducts, fish byproducts, cereals, roots, and tubers. 3. Proteins. Proteins contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, and sometimes iron, phosphorus, and/or sulfur. Proteins are found in the protoplasm of all animals and plants. They are required by animals for growth and for the repair of worn-out tissues and organs of the body. Examples of protein-rich foods include soybeans, cottonseeds, groundnut, peas, and beans, as well as fish and meat. The common sources of protein for animal feeds are forages, animal and fish byproducts, roots and tubers, and cereal grains. 4. Minerals. Minerals are necessary in an animal's diet. They are required in small quantities only, except phosphorus and calcium, which are important for bone formation. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen are 4 of the 21 elements that function in animal nutrition and are called non-mineral elements. The other 17 elements are called mineral elements. Macro elements are required by the animals in large quantities, and they are calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, sulfur, chlorine, and magnesium. The remaining 10 elements are required in very small quantities and are called microelements or trace elements, and they are iron, iodine, copper, cobalt, chromium, fluorine, manganese, zinc, molybdenum, and selenium. 5. Water. Water contains hydrogen and oxygen. Water is needed by farm animals to aid digestion and distribution of food in their body. It also helps in the regulation of body temperature through heat loss by evaporation from the skin and lungs. Water is contained in the feeds of animals. 6. Vitamins. These are another group of substances which must present in very tiny amounts in the rations of farm animals. They are essential for the proper and normal functioning of the animal's body. Their deficiency leads to ill health of the animal. Vitamins contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Vitamins can be grouped into I. Water-soluble, e.g., vitamin B and C and II. Fat-soluble vitamins, e.g., vitamin A, D, E, and K.